Ma'am, we were talking
Uh,
about nutrients,
okay.
minerals, and proteins.
Okay, last topic. Before we wind up our class, what was the last topic?
Ma'am, we were learning about one cancer.
Diseases.
Ma'am,
Diseases.
balance
Anupama, keep quiet. Every time you are telling. Now you don't say. I'll tell other students to say.
Balanced
Okay.
diet.
Romal, can you tell me? Romal, can you tell me what is the first topic we have covered?
Ma'am, we learned about diseases.
Diseases. Okay.
Ma'am, then we learned about balanced diet.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Ma'am, we also study about dietary fiber.
Okay. So now Narendran, what was the last diseases we have learned? Tell me. Which diseases? Rickets. Okay. So I think we covered rickets, I think, correct? Yes. So
Yes,
shall
ma'am.
we go to?
And
Shall we go-
berry.
Beriberi was the first.
first.
Now everyone mute it, please, because let us go back to the class now. So last class we have studied about 4 diseases. First disease we have learned about vitamin A, that is loss of vision, correct? Okay.
Yes,
now
ma'am.
Adilashmi, tell me what is the vitamin B1, another name I told you. It's last class. What was that? Vitamin B1 also known as something else.
Ma'am, can
Thiamine. Yes, Adilashmi. Thiamine.
Thiamine.
Okay. Thiamine. Okay. So, thiamine is another name of B1. So, due to that beriberi, what are the reason? What are the thing we get it? Weak muscles and very
Weak
little.
muscles and very little
energy to
Okay, fine. Fine. So, yeah, little energy. Now, we have completed rickets. Yeah, we also completed rickets. Now, we are moving on to the
calcium.
due to minerals, calcium, iodine, and iron. These are some of the diseases, some of the minerals. Due to these minerals, what are the things will take place? Okay. So first is read Anupama, first one, calcium.
Yes, ma'am. Calcium, bone and tooth decay.
Symptoms.
Weak bones, tooth decay.
Okay. Symptoms means what? Okay. Anupama, mute it. I'll ask another. Jeline Elizabeth.
Can I, ma'am, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Jeline Elizabeth, tell me what
Yes,
you mean
ma'am.
by tooth decay means what are the things?
Our tooth and bone will become weak and
Weak.
it will go.
Okay, fine. So that is the reason. So if you don't have a sufficient calcium in your body, naturally you will suffer the tooth decay,
Next,
weak bones.
second paragraph. Can I read, ma'am, please?
Amna, just give you all of you read every time, correct? Let us give other chance to others. Everyone want to study,
Ma'am,
correct?
you give to Anupama. Please give me, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. Where is my something I am searching? Sorry, 1 minute. Let me insert my. I will come back to you. Wait 1 minute. All of you just study that rickets, symptoms, and diseases quietly. I just open the board and then I come back to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
sit quietly and study. I will be asking you. Okay. Everyone mute it.
Okay.
Okay. Ivan, give me the answer. What is the cause of rickets?
Ma'am, bones become soft and bend.
Okay. Joshua, rickets are formed due to deficiency of which vitamin?
Vitamin D, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Helen Chitto, what is the cause of scurvy?
Eating of bleeding and gums and anemia.
Okay. Okay. Bedra Sunil, name the vitamin whose deficiency we get scurvy. Which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Okay, very good. Inovin, switch on the video, Inovin. Inovin, can you hear me? Yes. Inovin, tell me what is the cause of beriberi? Unmute and tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Which vitamin causes, which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Vitamin?
I know.
You know, just think. Okay.
Narendra,
Okay, I'll just give you the MCQ. Tell me A, B1, C, D. Among this, which vitamin causes beriberi? A, B1, C, and D. Choose the correct one.
Ma'am, vitamin B1.
Others keep quiet. Others keep quiet.
We have any MCQ test,
Please
ma'am?
unmute and don't mute it. Only Inovin will tell me. Others keep quiet. I don't want others to say answer. Inovin, tell me A, B1, C, and D. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi?
B.
B1. Okay. What is the symptom of beriberi? Beriberi person, how he will be?
His
His
bone will.
bone will become weak. Tell like that in your own words you say. And he looks tired. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next person. Evanchal. Can you hear me? Evanchal. Evanchal, can you hear me? Hello? Evanchal.
We cannot hear you, ma'am.
Okay.
We cannot hear you.
Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishnaveni, tell me which vitamins deficiency causes night blindness? Which vitamin?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, A, B1, C, and D. Which one causes night blindness?
Ma'am, vitamin A.
Vitamin A.
Who is that? I didn't ask you. Are you all Krishnaveni?
And Amna.
If you open the mouth, I will reduce the marks in your periodic test one. Okay. Unless without asking, without my permission, don't mute and give me answer. Okay. Yes. Who else? Now I did not ask Juval. Juval, can you hear me? Juval, switch on the video, dear. Okay, Juval, give me which vitamin causes rickets. Again, I am asking you, which vitamin causes rickets? Deficiency causes rickets.
No, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, A, B, C, D. Tell me.
A.
A. Okay. Is it correct? Devananda, can you give me the correct answer? A, B, C, D. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Can I?
Prayan Vinath. Yes, you tell me, Prayan. Which vitamin?
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Very good. Vitamin D. Narendran, what are you doing over there? You are going to shoot me?
No, ma'am.
Then? Okay, fine. Okay, children. So we are coming back to the class now. So we have completed and we also have, I think all of you remember the pictures, what I have shown. Okay. So this is about beriberi. Then we are now moving on to the problem with the calcium. The calcium, what are the things we have? So 1 minute, I just take
Ma'am, can you show the slide of scurvy?
Scurvy, I'll just show you. 1 minute. 1 minute. I just start the slide show. Where is slide show? Okay, from current slide. What do you want to see? Scurvy.
Ma'am, the slide of scurvy.
Okay, this is beriberi.
Ma'am, can you admit Jillian?
What is your 1 minute? This is scurvy. Okay, children, I just want to clarify one doubt regarding. See, when I ask you what is the cause means it is not the anemia, bleeding in the gums and high fever you have to tell. Bleeding in the gums, high fever, anemia, all these are symptoms. Okay, all these are symptoms of the sickness. All these are symptoms of the sickness, scurvy. Okay. Some of you just I asked you what is the cause of rickets. Some of you told me the answer, ma'am, bones become weak, and that is not the cause. Cause means what? Reason. C-A-U-S-E. Cause means reason. So reason, when I ask, you have to tell me deficiency of so and so vitamin. That is the cause. I tell you that word. Someone did not get me the question. Anyway, you answered, but I just listened to you. The cause means reason. So what should be the reason? Reason should be your answer should be you have to tell me deficiency of. So in the exam also, please try to understand the question. Some of you are not understanding. You have to tell me deficiency of which vitamin. Okay. Now, symptoms. When I tell you what do you mean by the word symptoms, then you have to tell me. Suppose I ask you what is the cause of the symptoms. I mean symptoms of scurvy. I just ask you what is the symptom of scurvy. Then your answer should be bleeding in the gums, anemia, high fever, like that. You got the idea? So please try to understand the question, cause or symptom. Got it? Yes,
ma'am.
Now if I ask you,
Yes, ma'am.
next I ask you, these are some practice for your exam. Name the diseases. Name the diseases.
Ma'am, we
Cause-
have
It's
MCQ
there in the
test,
screen. I
ma'am.
cannot see the screen.
This is for your periodic test one. Clear? If you have like this questions, name the diseases which cause beriberi. Then what should be your answer? Tell me. Sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, anemia.
No. 1 minute. I just rub it off. That's not the one.
Vitamin B1.
1 minute. I just give it. If I ask you, name the diseases which cause vitamin B1.
Beriberi.
Ma'am, beriberi.
Yes. So for this question, your answer is beriberi. You have to tell me the name of the diseases. What is the cause means? Hey, hello. Shh. What sound? Someone is speaking something. Malayalam.
Ma'am, Narendran.
Ma'am, it's Narendran.
This is what I tell you. When I ask you, you speak. Otherwise, I can hear all the fighting and unwanted sound from your house. Okay, I don't want to hear that. Not only that, all your friends will hear. So see that you mute. Okay, you don't want to hear what is happening in your house. Correct? Clear? That's about it. So you got the question. 3 questions I told you. 3 types of question. One is, what is the cause of beriberi? If I ask you like that, you have to give me deficiency of vitamin B1. What are the symptoms of beriberi? If I ask you like that question, you have to give me loss of bones are becoming weak. Okay. Weak muscles, tiredness. All that. Got it? Okay. So this is scurvy. Those who are absent in the last class, this is the picture of rickets. Rickets means the bones are becoming bending of the bones, bending of the knee.
Ma'am, in my
Large forehead, stunted growth. All these are symptoms.
Ma'am, my
Stunted
brother-
growth. Your brother?
Ma'am, my brother was having rickets, but in older age, but now it's okay.
Are you sure it's rickets? Did you ask your mother whether it's a ricket or
Yes,
something?
ma'am, my mother told me.
Okay, so you got it. So these are the things. So these are the symptoms: stunted growth, bending knees, bending bones, and large forehead. So if you have enough vitamin D in your thing, you can be cured. Some of the sickness may not be cured. Okay, yes. Now we are moving on to the next one, the calcium. Due to calcium, I don't want to show you what is the picture of calcium. Okay, so due to deficiency of the calcium, we have bone and tooth decay. The diseases due to deficiency of calcium, we have bone and tooth decay. So this is disease. This is disease. And this is symptom. So this is, you don't have to write. It is in your textbook. You can open the textbook and see what is that. Okay. So calcium, it is not vitamin, it's a mineral. Calcium, due to deficiency of calcium, we have bone and tooth decay. Symptoms are weak bones, tooth decay. Got it? Yes. Amna, next
What can you tell what is
next thing you
goiter?
read. Amna, you read. Jalin, can you unmute mute it? You are not muted. Amna, where are you? You were asking for?
Ma'am, can I say?
I think she is gone. Okay, we can call another person who did not. Aramal Shaji, can you read the next one? Read.
Iodine.
Then next line, read.
Goiter.
Goiter. Goiter. So goiter is the name of diseases. Okay, next one.
Glands in the neck. Upper.
Appear. Swollen. Appear swollen. Say. Then.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am? I
Wait.
have some network issue, please.
Mental disability in children.
Okay. Mental disability in children. Okay, Amna, you read. You are just disturbing me a lot. Okay, read now. Where are you? Read fast.
I'm not reading, ma'am.
You read. When I called you, you went out of a network. Now you came back. Now you read up now. Read fast. Time up.
Asking for a chance, but no. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ishal Fatima, can you read now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second one.
Same thing we have to read because some of you are not getting the words. You have to learn the words. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Iodine, goiter,
Okay.
glands in the neck appears swollen, mental disability, mental disability in children.
Okay. So due to deficiency of iodine, we have another sickness. We call it goiter. So glands in the neck means, everyone please touch your neck. Can you see some of the glands over there? Can you see? Everyone just touch your this thing and see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So what happened means, this gland, when you touch this vocal cord, you can see that something is stretching out. No, there are some part of glands are here. Glands means some kind of narrow nerves. In 5th standard, you learn nervous system. Clear? So we have some type of a nerve over there. It will be swollen like this, the way I showed you. Look at this lady and this man. Can you see? So where your vocal cord, it should be swollen like that. And this is the cartoon
So
picture.
that we cannot tell anything. Means
You can
we
speak.
can
You can.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when I searched in Google yesterday, it was like a ball-like thing in the throat.
That is for different persons. It will be different. Some of the pictures in network. Some of the pictures. It's very really. You look. You get scared naturally. Okay. You get scared to see some of them because it is not like that. It will be hanging like a big basket over there. Okay. So just like that, I just want to tell you, before getting goiter, this is the size of your gland. What is the name of that gland? The gland name thyroid.
My mother also have
Thyroid. Yes.
Thyroid.
Yes.
thyroid.
Someone's house, a lot of sound is coming. Okay. Yes. So did you get the word thyroid?
Thyroid.
THYROID.
Ma'am, my mother's and father's grandmas will eat thyroid tablet.
That is because not because of goiter. Maybe you may have they have some deficiency.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today is my grandma's birthday.
Okay, so happy birthday to grandma. Tell the grandma, okay, all of you. All of you wish happy birthday to her grandma. Everyone say,
Happy birthday, grandma.
Grandma Anubama.
Happy
Say.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Anubama's grandma.
Okay, very good. Now you mute it. Okay, dear. Let us go back. So, dear, okay, it's very nice. Tell our wishes to your grandma Anubama.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is the reason. So the gland, what you read, the word gland. So that is the name of the gland. We call it as a thyroid. So before this red color is the thyroid gland. Before getting goiter, it was normal. Now you see how that thyroid gland is become big or it is
Yes,
gone.
ma'am.
Yeah, this is because
Ma'am, it covers
Ah.
our.
If you
Ma'am, it's
don't
very
have
uncomfortable.
uncomfortable only, not only that, it looks very odd. It's just like a cancer. It become like a cancer afterwards. Some of the people have like a bag is hanging on this. So this is due to deficiency of iodine. So this is the reason some of you are saying that you should have the salt with the iodine. This happens if we don't use the very good salt, because salt contain iodine. So we should always use the salt contain iodine. That's what I told you. Rock salt you should use. Better than
Ma'am, and second.
Ma'am,
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 better
ma'am,
than
in
powder.
Malayalam, that salt will tell kallup.
Kallupu, that is rock salt. That is what they are telling us. You have to use rock salt in your food. If you want to make a powder, you make that rock salt into powder and put it in the curry. It is very nice.
Mixie.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, there is a second point that
Which one?
mental disability in children.
Mental disability is naturally what will happen means when this iodine is less, sometimes you may not remember certain things. You will lose the memory. You cannot retain whatever you study, and you forget. Gradually you forget your mother, father, just like Alzheimer's. It is the symptom of getting
Ma'am,
Alzheimer's.
my mother's grandpa has Alzheimer's.
That Alzheimer's is can come due to old age, but nowadays because of our lifestyle, we also lack some kind of iodine in that. And now only when you are young, also some of us getting a Alzheimer's. So that is the reason, because of lifestyle. Old people getting it's normal, okay, because their bones are becoming tired and almost they are coming to the end of our life. So that's why that everyone will feel, not only your grandma. Once you become grandma, when you become grandfathers and grandmother, this may be the reason.
But my grandpa's bones are not that much tired.
That is no, it's not necessary that bones to be tired, okay?
Ma'am, he is energetic.
Sometimes that can be reason for some due to lack of certain things. Okay, it is not only that, it can also used to lack of lot of things. Clear?
Ma'am, when will be in our class?
So this is how almost we are coming to last thing, anemia.
Ma'am,
Due to
mostly
which
we
deficiency?
use rock salt in when we make big curry.
Okay, fine. Now you tell me the last one. Which mineral due to deficiency?
Iron.
Due to deficiency iron, you will get
Anemia.
anemia.
Weakness.
Is the sickness which is
Iron
affecting
anemia.
your blood circulatory system. It is affecting your blood circulatory system. And if once your blood circulatory system, you will get all the sickness, fatigue, dizziness, fainting, heart problem, heart palpitation means heart beat is not normal, chest pain, heart attack, okay, muscular system become weak, respiratory system become weak. Yes. So dear, this is all. In your book, it is given only one or two points. You can study that. This I wanted to give you. Once anemia comes, your entire system become breakdown. Just like a computer system undergo breakdown, your entire system breakdown. Why? It is affecting the blood.
Written weakness.
Weakness, blood vessel. It affect the blood vessels, and you become weak. Once you become fully weak, naturally your entire system going to shut down one by one. Maybe kidney, maybe heart, maybe your brain. We don't know how it is. Okay. So that is what we should have always, leafy vegetable. Clear? So we completed this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Next Monday, come for class test of
MCQ
this
test.
chapter. Class test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Monday we have English.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you,
Coming
ma'am.
Monday.
Bye.
See you on
Coming
Monday.
Monday.
Bye, ma'am.